above the sleepy valley, hidden behind the tallest peaks, lay a secret that most people thought was only a legend. But Pip, a boy with messy hair and an even messier appetite for adventure, knew the island in the clouds was real. He decided that today was the day. He began to climb the ancient, glowing vines that stretched from the earth into the heavens. Higher and higher he went, until the houses below looked like tiny pebbles. Finally, Pip reached the top and gasped in wonder. This was the Sky Whale's kingdom. But something was wrong. A giant, shimmering creature was struggling beneath a heavy net of dark shadows. Pip felt his knees shake. The whale was as big as a mountain. But then, he heard a sound, a melodic, sad hum. "Don't worry," Pip whispered, though he wasn't sure if she could hear him. "I'm here to help you." He held the compass high. As its golden light touched the dark shadows, they began to sizzle and dissolve into nothingness. With a graceful leap, Luna was free. She circled Pip, her fins flapping like translucent wings, creating a warm, magical breeze. "Luna is hurt," one gnome squeaked. Pip noticed her star fin was torn. "We can fix it," he said, "if we work together." Using the magical silk, they repaired the fin. Pip realized that without Luna, his village would never see the morning dew she created. But the peace didn't last. A sudden, cold wind blew through the aisles. The shadow storm had returned, and it was angrier than before. The shadows grabbed at Luna's tail, trying to pull her down into the darkness. The gnomes were frightened, but Pip knew what to do. "Gnomes, link hands," Pip shouted. "We need to create a circle of light." One by one, they grabbed hold, forming a glowing ring. Pip stood at the center and held his compass high. "Now," he cried. A massive burst of golden light exploded from the circle. The light was so bright it washed away every single shadow. The sky turned blue again, clearer and more beautiful than ever before. As the sun began to set, Luna gently brought Pip back to the edge of the village. It was time for him to go home. They shared one last look. Pip learned that true courage is helping others, even when you're scared, and that kindness connects all worlds. Now, whenever Pip looks up at a silver shimmer in the clouds, he knows his secret friend is there, keeping the world in harmony.